Hello, I'm going to show you your upcoming events page here. So, for example, on the Heart bar, you notice something new called events. You can rename that to upcoming events, but I put events for you. So like you mentioned, you wanted a gallery image of all the pictures that you want to present to that event, and then a countdown timer, and then what the event is all about. So I got your a recent email. You asked me to put a coming soon on there, so we can do that for you. But before I do that, let me just show you how it works, because I can easily remove this page. It's no big deal. I can hide it. So what you would do is you go on the back page where it says upcoming events, okay? And then here's what you would do. Scroll down until you see title, gallery, countdown timer. Basically title, self-explanatory. That's your title, right? Upcoming events. Gallery. Here's your gallery, is all the images. I randomly chose some for you. You can easily change that. So here's how you change that. Press this three lines right here. One, two, three lines. Press it one time, and then you'll see update gallery. Right now it says images number is 8. You can change it to 10, 6, or any number you like, okay? So if you want to update the gallery, just press update gallery, and then uncheck this box and randomly choose different items. So I can say I don't want that in my gallery. I only want these 4, or sorry, these 5. Or I can say, wait, you know what? I don't want these 5. I want something completely different. I want to add to gallery. I want to choose my own pictures. And I go in the media library, and I can choose from images from the gallery. Sorry for the slow load, but it's loading. Let's see here. Or I can just upload a file. I can say select a file, and then I could upload my own file, okay? So again, you can choose from the gallery here, images, or you can upload a file, okay? So that's how you do that. I'm not going to save this. I'm just showing you how it works, so you can make those changes yourself whenever you have new events coming up. And then countdown timer. This is also pretty self-explanatory. So what you would do is you click on it, and then count down to. So let's say March 18th. Let's say you have an event on March 31st. I'm going to select March 31st at done. So it'll count down to March 31st. That's when your event is going to be, okay? And then of course there's a background picture. You can change that if you like, but I chose the green background for you, just to kind of flow with your title here, logo. And then welcome to events page. So what I'll do for now, I will do this. I will let me go ahead and save this so you can see that I changed it to the 31st. I'm going to refresh the page here. Okay, now there you go. That's the new. I just refreshed the page. So let me go ahead and check one more thing for you. Oh, the text. So on the text here, see how it says welcome to events page. Press on visual. I'm going to remove this for now. I'm going to say new events will be posted soon. Check again. Check back soon, okay? So I'm going to just put that for now. And you mentioned to me, hey, have a coming soon sign here. I put a text there which kind of indicates that the customer should check back soon. So let's go ahead and refresh the page here. Let's see what I did here. Yeah, new events will be posted soon. Check back soon, okay? So let me, this color change a little bit here. Let me go ahead and change that for you. Countdown timer. Let me change this background image to a different color. Let's make it a bit less green. Okay, you can play with this and change it as you please. I just wanted to make sure the background kind of, you can see the text in the background. Let me see what text that color is. Okay, so, or you can also change the font color too. So let me just give you an example how I changed that. Let me just make it yellow. Save and exit. That might be a little bit too bright, but let's just see what it looks like. Refresh the page, press update, of course, and then refresh the page here. So there's your new countdown timer, 24 days, 7 hours, 7 minutes, 18 seconds. New events will be posted soon, check back soon. Again, you know how to change this now, so you just go there. So let's say you want this to be on top of the images. You don't want this to be at the bottom. You can actually do that also. So go here, scroll to the bottom, and just move this whole column up. So let's say you want to make the announcement before you show the countdown timer. Just move this up. There you go. And let's say in the future you want the gallery to be at the very bottom. Just drag this whole thing to the bottom. But let me show you what it looks like with me having that over there. Okay, so as you can see, what change did I just make? I put the countdown timer at the very bottom. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page here. See, now the countdown timer is at the bottom. Again, if you like it here, you can leave it here. If you don't like it here, you can move it all the way to the top, or you can move it back up to here, okay? And again, you can do the same thing with the gallery. Okay, so here's upcoming events. And let's say you don't like this picture back here, you want to change it, feel free to do that as well. Click on title here. And then, actually, sorry, for the background image, you would do it from here. I think it's from design. Let me take a look here. Maybe it's under advanced. Okay, do it this way. If you're unable to change it from here, just click on use visual builder right here, this button here, the blue one. This is another way to change the information on the website. So visual builder kind of makes it a little bit easier to change that. So put your mouse over any item. Let's say I want to change the background here. Press this button here, star. See where it says background? And I have a patio here, so I can press this button and change it to a different image. Okay, so once you change it, press the green button to save it, or you can press X not to save it. Okay, and when you're all done with making the changes, let's say you want to change the gallery from the front end, like this setting here, you can do it from here also. Okay, so I can say update gallery, and just like I mentioned earlier. And once you're all done, you're happy with the changes, press this purple button here and then press save. Okay, but let me go back to removing this for you because you don't want it to be shown. Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to exit Visual Builder. Okay, very good. So now let's go to the back end again, and then go to Appearance. It's called Menus. Okay, this is where all that menu shows. Menu meaning you know, home, about us, contact us, menu, events. Not this menu, but this pages of your menu. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. You go right here where it says Events. I can call it Upcoming Events if I want to, and I can press Save Menu. Let's say you don't like this page. Let's say you don't want it to show to the customers right now. You can actually hide it. So first, let me just save it for you so you can see what it looks like. If you take a look at now, I changed the name to Upcoming Events. Let's say you don't want it to show on your website. Do this, press remove. Okay, see how I did that? Remove. Now it's gone. Now when I refresh the page, it's not going to show to your customers. Okay, let me actually, did I save the menu? Yeah, I did. Let me go ahead and refresh the page again. Why is it still showing? Let me see what's happening here. Menu is gone. Let me take a look if I did it correctly. Oh, okay, maybe I didn't save it correctly. Still showing here. Okay, save menu. Okay, let me try it now. Maybe I forgot to press the save button. There you go, now it's gone. Okay, and in the future, when you're ready to go, if you want to add it, after you make your changes to it, after you go to pages, after you go to pages, all pages, after you have it all done correctly, and you want it to show on your website, all you have to do is do this. Click on Upcoming Events and press Add to Menu. That's it. Now it's live. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it for you for now, so it doesn't show it on the website. Okay, and then I'm gonna press Save Menu again. So when you get this email, or when you get this video, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go straight to Pages, all pages. Go to Upcoming Events, press Edit, and then work on this section here. Okay. Once you're finished working on this section and you're ready to go live, then you're going to go to Appearance, Menus, and then add this to it so it becomes live. Once you press this button right here, it becomes live. Again, you can leave it here, you can put it up here, you can put it here or here, but for now we'll leave it down here. Let's say you want it to be higher on the list, you can move it up and down. Okay, so that's what you have to do. Hopefully this video helped you out. Again, thank you for your time.